Mi gente, guys, we're here in Boulder, New York, and you know what time it is? It's spring cleaning, baby. That's right. We're doing the spring cleaning for this beautiful customer. Listen, great customer, great guy. And listen, I'm going to show you the before and the after, what it is to do spring cleaning. What we're doing today is pressure washing, guys. Listen, all that disgusting mold and all that mierda from the whole winter season, and now we're ready to open up for spring, that barbecue, the chairs. Guys, you want to spend the time with your family, so I'm the guy that's going to make that happen for you. So guys, watch the video, tell me what you guys think. So if you need some spring cleaning, you need some pressure washing, your gutters clean, guys, now is the time. Call Louie the Boiler Man 516-377-5200 and watch the video now. Wepa! Check it out, check it out, check it out, baby. I'm excited because spring is here, and the best thing, it's almost summertime, baby. And you know what I like? Barbecue. So this particular customer wants to do the same exact thing with his family. So guys, check it out. Look at the after. I mean, what a humongous difference. Guys, and I want to show you guys also in the video, which you guys took a look already, it's a 4-step process. So guys, it's a process, not just pressure wash clean, you know, like a Rambo, none of that shit. Guys, it's a process. You want to do things right, and you want to make sure you take all that mold and mildew, all the accumulation and build up from over the winter time, and make sure you take it off, because look what a beautiful day it is today, guys. Don't you want to see yourself with your family, your loved ones, your kids, having that beautiful barbecue, that beautiful steak dinner and chicken dinner on a lovely afternoon on 80-degree weather? Well, this is what you need to do, guys. So I want to show you not only the patio area, I want to show you the fence. Look at this fence. Look how clean it is. I mean, we brought the fence to life, baby. We did a little setup over here. This is what he wanted, to make sure everything's nice and neat and clean. This is going to be the fire pit area. Guys can take a look on the other side of the backyard. Humongous difference, guys. And this is how you want to have your house looking like too. You want it to look aesthetically look nice, but you also want to enjoy it, guys. We have such a small window of great weather. In this case, we're talking about summertime. So we only have June, July, August, and partially a fall. And then of course we're going to winter time. So what I'm trying to say is, guys, you want to enjoy moments like this with your family, and I can make that happen. So if you're looking for pressure washing, you're looking for gutter cleaning, pressure washing your gutters, spring cleaning. Oh, we also do cleaning for barbecues. That's right, guys. Outdoor kitchen. So if you have an outdoor kitchen and you're a beautiful home, we can take care of that for you, and also take care of all the refrigeration. Listen, I'm just that guy, guys. I do it all, but I can't do it by myself. I got a team behind me, and I have a network. So I have guys that can resolve the issue. So again, I love that you like the video, but most importantly, guys, before I go, smash that bell button, leave a comment below, subscribe. Remember what I tell you? Subscribe, baby. That's right. Call Louie the Boiler Man, 516-377-5200, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Wepa!